Okay, in this question, you can see we have a quadratic graph on the right there, and because it's an upside down u, we know that that would be minus x squared. Now in part A, we need to write down the coordinates of A, B, and C. So this is easy enough. So A, we can see that is going to be 0, 6. B is minus 2, 0. And C is 3, 0. Okay, that's part A. Now part B, we need to show that the function can be written as fx equals minus x squared plus x plus 6. Now we can see that this graph crosses the x-axis at minus 2 and 3. So that's like saying x equals minus 2 and x equals 3. Now if we brought these to the other side, this would be x plus 2 equal to 0 and x minus 3 equal to 0. So then they are the factors of that function. So if I expanded these, I should get what they're looking for. Now, just from looking at this, I can see an x times x would get me x squared, but there it's minus x squared. Same way, 2 times minus 3 would be minus 6, but I want it as plus 6. Now, because it's a negative quadratic, okay, that upside down u, I'm going to make one of these factors all negative. So I'll do it with the first one. I'll make it as minus x minus 2. Then x minus 3 will stay like that. So now let's expand it. Minus x times x will be minus x squared. Minus x times minus 3 will be plus 3x. Minus 2 times x will be minus 2x. Minus 2 times minus 3 would be plus 6. So this now would be equal to minus x squared plus x plus 6. Okay, exactly as they wanted. Now, part C, show using calculus that the maximum point of f of x is 0.5 and 6.25. So we have our f of x function from the previous part of the question. So now, seeing as we need to use calculus, differentiate it, and if you ever need to find the max or min point, after you differentiate it, equal it to 0, solve for x, and then whatever value you get for x, sub into the original. So differentiating it, so minus x squared will become minus 2x, plus x will just be plus 1, and the 6 will be gone. So now let's equal this to 0. So we have minus 2x plus 1 equal to 0. So we'll have 1 equal to 2x. So 1 over 2 is equal to x. So that's the first part done. Because you can see there 0.5, so we have that because a half is the same as 0.5. Now, with this value, sub it into the original. And so the original is f of x, so I'm just going to write that again. So f of x is equal to minus x squared plus x plus 6. So now let's put in 0.5 into this. So we'll have minus 0.5 all squared plus 0.5 plus 6. And when you put all this into your calculator, you'll end up with 6.25. Now remember that f of x is the same as y. So that means the 6.25 is our y part of the coordinate. So the x part we already found, which was a half. Now we have the 6.25. So just writing that as a coordinate, so 0.5, 6.25. And that's exactly what they were looking for, so we know we're correct.